Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for flights on the Singapore Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the book flights button down below, then select the type of trip, one-way, return or multi-city. After that you should select your departure point in the middle on the left side. So type in your departure point, then your destination. After that you should select the departure date and then the return date. Click on the button done. Select the number of passengers and the cabin class. Tap on done and click on the search button down below to check out the available flights if there are any if there is any flight available. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.